Hello guys, in this vlog I will make a morning tour of the Columbus Hotel here in Tenerife. This is the main entrance of the hotel. Here on the left is the reception area. Over there through those doors, disco club. Here on the left we have a couple of vending machines and an ATM. Some waiting area. In the front over there it's a sport bar. Here we have a massage chair. Down here it's a main restaurant where dinner, lunch and breakfast is served. Now it's around 9 o'clock in the morning, so it's breakfast. You can reach this one two ways, by stairs, or it has an option with elevator, which is here somewhere. Two elevators. We have some toilets over there. Okay. This side of the hotel has two elevators, the same like the other side. Here is the bar area. It opened from 10 o'clock till 11 o'clock in the evening. Here we have some tables inside where you can drink alcoholic drinks, soft drinks. In front of over there are the toilets. Who likes to play? Yeah, we have one machine if you are feeling lucky. Here is the menu for the all-inclusive and some snacks. It's all between 10 and 1 and 3 and 5. Yeah. Okay, here is the pool area. Time it's 9 o'clock. You can use the pool from 10 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock in the evening. The same with the jacuzzi. Here we have some warning whirlpool. Yeah. There are plenty of sunbeds, so no panic. The sunbeds are chained until 7:30 in the morning, so you don't need to come and rush in the morning 7 o'clock and put your towel, because you can. The sunny side of this hotel, it's over there. You see all the sunbeds are over there, none of them are here. Here it's shadow all day. The whirlpool is heated. I'm not sure about those on, because I've been in one of those early in the morning and the water was pretty cold. The deep starts from 0.85 meters and the deepest point 1.4, I think, which is here on this side of the pool, 145. That's the deepest point. Yeah. Down here it's the spa area. massages and treatment. Have 2 pool tables and the gym as well, I see. Again, the gym it's between 10 and 6 o'clock. I think you have to pay maybe separate. I see some prices down here. Yeah. Treatment, all kind of treatments, facials, manicure and pedicure. I saw some prices over here somewhere. Massage from €40. Over there in that corner it's a hairdresser and a gift shop. Here on the right it's a pub, but it's renovating right now. Here is a game room. The corner, it's another pub. On over there and over there somewhere are some apartments for those who have reduced mobility. This hotel has one more pool. I'll show you in a second. Here it's a little bit cooler. Here we have a nice pond. See the fish? Look at them. Very nice pond here. Here it's an area with some tables again, where you can sit and drink something. We have one more pool here, a smaller one. We start from 0.95. I'm not sure if it's deeper down here. Let's check. Yeah, here it's 1.2 meters. But it has this nice escape. Today it's a little bit cloudy, but on a sunny day, this part of the hotel, this side, it's sunny all day. Now we are in November. The sunset it's around 5:30 in the evening. Here we have some flats, apartments as well. So if you want to have sun all day, on this side of the hotel you have to be. Over there in the middle, now in November, the sun will last until 3 o'clock. After that it will go after the building. And all the area it's in the shadow. Here we have some information, some trips, holidays, EasyJet, some excursions, info here. This side has again 2 lifts, 2 elevators. They are working great, no problem at all. There is another side where you can sunbathing. This is up on the roof on each side. I will go to show you in a second. Here we have a small robot who's cleaning the pool. I see this in the pool every day for at least 2 hours. Outside here we have some toilets near the pool. Here is the gift shop that I mentioned earlier. And here is hairdresser. I see the timetable right here. And now let me show you our room. Okay, here on the left it's the toilet. So here you can turn on the light. Yeah, we have a small table right here. Two beds joined together, but it's wider than a single bed. A table here, TV which is working. We have a mini fridge down here. Okay, a wardrobe which is pretty large. Look at that. There is no but yeah, it's down there. Safe deposit box. Yeah. Sockets on each side. A small table here. Yeah. And now let me show you the balcony and our view. So this is a balcony which is pretty large. We have a light on the balcony as well. Yeah. This is the AC which is over there. For the AC to be working, the balcony door needs to be shut like that. Yeah. Look, it started. Have a look. Close this. Automatically start the. You make a beep or something like that. Anyway, those white chairs supposed to be here on this table. Only those big chair was here on the balcony. And let me show you our view. We are on a 6th floor, and we have a view over the pool, over the main pool. Yeah. Today it's a little bit cloudy, so there are not too many guys in the pool. It's November. Here it's another side with sunbeds. And over there you can see the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and a part of Costa Adeje. Yeah, we have no roof on the balcony because we are on the second, on the last floor. We have here like a hanger where you can put your clothes if you want it. You can extend this. I don't want to break it. It's pretty fragile. So this is it. This is the room. Let me show you from this side too. It's pretty large. It's enough. Yeah. And this is how the bathroom looks like. It's pretty large. Yeah. Large sink, a mirror, shower, towels. We have a small bin. This one working. Here is the soap dispenser. Again, over there we have some air ventilation over there. You can close this if you want it. Yeah, the same over there. Morning, guys. Let me show you what you can eat for breakfast here at the Columbus Hotel. So we have beans with tomato, bacon, sausages, red sausages, scrambled eggs, baked tomatoes, roasted peppers, sauté vegetable, boiled eggs. This is like a Spanish omelette. Again, scrambled egg, bacon, and beans with tomato. Here we have some jams, marmalade, peach, bitter orange, plum, and strawberry. Churros and a big jar of Nutella. What I eat every single morning, and it was delicious, was this omelette with cheese, hash brown omelette with ham, buttered squid rings, and fish churros. This one. Okay, let's move on. It's an early morning right now, 8 o'clock. The breakfast is running from 8 o'clock till 10:30. Here we have the bread selection, milk, skimmed whole soya milk, and some butter, some honey here, ketchup sauce, lemon, and yogurt sauce. We have some tomato back there and lemon, fresh peach syrup, pear syrup. Yeah, fresh fruits, bananas, fresh cheese, all kind of cheese. I think this one it's smoked cheese, very good. It's like a cheese cream, very good this one as well. Turkey ham, yeah, ham, prosciutto, all kind of apple vinegar, smoked salmon back there, some Brussels pate smoked, Here we have a coffee machine and a juice machine. Here is for the water and for the ice. Again, all kind of juice, Pepsi, 7-Up, water and ice dispenser. Another coffee and juice machine. And here is the area with the pastry, all kind of pastry. Croissants. Here we have some dry fruits, cereals. The breakfast is basically still the same every single day. The lunch and the dinner, it varies every single night. It's different. I will show you that in a separate vlog. For breakfast, you have the option to eat here at the main restaurant. Plenty of seats. Or if you want it, if you prefer it, you can eat here on the terrace outside. Plenty of seats as well. Here it's much cooler. I have a street view. Okay, so this is for breakfast. I hope you able to make an idea. And this is my selection for this morning. Some omelette with cheese, some bacon, some mushroom, tomato, bread. Yeah, I have a juice here, coffee. This is not all, I will eat some dessert after. And this is what I have for dessert. Okay, lunchtime. We start with some barbecue ribs, gravy sauce. Here it's curry paella. Looks good. I think they have some chicken meat or something like that in it, and some slice of bananas. Here is the barbecue. Look at that, grilled steak, and we have some grilled salmon here. Some lime, amatriciana sauce pasta. And this pasta is with marinara sauce. We have some cheese, parmesan extra, fish churros, onion rings, wedge potatoes, cauliflower in white sauce, chicken escalope. Here it's like potatoes, yeah. Some vegetable, assorted vegetable, meat cannelloni, this one, wok, this is like veal stew, rice, chips, some salads, some cheese, all kind of cheese, boiled eggs. What is this? This is like potato salad, and this is turkey salad. Order some fresh tomato, cucumber, onion, salad in the back there. all kind of sauce, mustard sauce, ketchup sauce, cocktail sauce, aioli sauce, mayonnaise, cheese, tartar sauce. Over there we have some pickles back there, butter, bread. Let's see, soup, Thai soup, this one. Let's see how it looks. Something like this. It smells good. And some soup cream. Never like how that soup cream looks. Juice, wine, beer, water, ice. Here we have fresh fruits. Yeah, banana, apple, orange, kiwi. Here we have some sliced fresh fruits. And here is the sweets area. First time I see those. Maybe I'll try some of these. It was delicious. Yeah. Or maybe I'll take the entire cake. Here we have some ice creams and some extra toppings. The lunch is running from 1 o'clock until 3 o'clock. Again, you have the option to eat here, the main restaurant, or if you want, you can go outside on the terrace. This side of the restaurant is closed for the lunch. Okay. So here is my choice for the lunch. Salmon, chicken, onion rings, chips, some pickles. There's the fish churros, some mayonnaise. Yeah, look at that. Ooh. Here we have pork ribbon with some gravy sauce. Here we have mushroom rice, kind of paella with mushroom, lamb chops, and here we have fish on grill. All kind of pizza. Pizza here, it's delicious. You have to try this. Chips, buttered rice, and here it's beef stroganoff, Parisian garlic, potatoes, meat lasagna, and here some kind of vegetable on oven, wok. Gratin eggplant, chicken hunter style, looks delicious this. Potatoes in their jacket. Meatballs in delicious sauce, broccoli with cheese, and some onion rings. Pasta in amatriciana sauce, and tricolor pasta in carbonara sauce. Extra cheese and parmesan. Here we have some soup. This is a cream soup. And here is like a vegetable soup, soup of the day. Tuna and rice salads, olives, all kind of salads. Cucumber, corn, yep, sliced vegetable. Here we have mustard sauce, ketchup sauce, mayonnaise sauce, cocktail sauce, aioli sauce, and back here have some pickles, assorted pickles, jalapenos. Here is the bread selection. We have some butter too. Fruit selection, bananas, apples, pear, kiwi, some sliced fruits, and here is the sweet selection. Look at that. Wow, looks delicious. I'll definitely try this. Probably I'll take a big spoon of the big one. Here it's an ice cream, vanilla, strawberry, lime, and some extra topping for the ice cream. Here is the juice, Pepsi, 7-Up, lime juice. From here you can take a beer or wine, water, and the ice dispenser. And this is the restaurant